Done with the valve cover gasket. What I used end up was a E10, a 3/8 ratchet, short extension, 1/4 inch ratchet, short extension, 8mm screwdriver, long 3/8 extension. This is for something else. A longer 1/4 inch extension, or not any. You don't really need this, but then I had a E8 on a swivel, 1/4 inch. Then I had a 5 hex pick. These are 2 bolts that go onto the engine cover, but I'm not putting those back on because I'm going to do the gaskets here, the oil filter housing gasket and the oil cooler gasket. 10mm, and then a security Torx 30 security style, and a gun and brake cleaner, as well as paper towels. All